How to buy Aerodrome Finance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can purchase it. So when you open up CoinGecko, you would be able to see all the markets available for Aerodrome Finance and basically the coin for Aero, and you can utilize the Aerodrome Finance official website in order to purchase it. Simply open up aerodrome.finance and then select the option of swap over here. Make sure that you connect your wallet, and it will ask you to switch your wallet to Base. Simply switch your network, and after that just simply close it up, and here you would be able to see the swapping. Just simply move it backward, and here you can select any of the token that you want to use in order to convert it. Now, how do we get Ethereum on our Base network? Basically, we need to have the Base Llama nodes, and you can get it from chain list. And after you get Base network in your MetaMask, you can use different bridges out there in order to send the Ethereum from any other chain out there to your Base chain. So this is the bridge that I find to be the most useful, and it was suggested by one of my friends. And here you can just select from where you want the Ethereum to be. Suppose I have Ethereum on Blast network, so I will select Blast over here, then select the token and select the amount of Ethereum that you want to send. Then at the bottom select the chain, which is Base in our case, and just select Base and select the token that you want to receive. So we will just select Ethereum on both ends, and this way it will find the fastest and best route for you in order to do this particular transaction. Then just simply click on this option of review route, and after that accept new quote, and you would be able to send the money, and you would also be able to check out the fee at this particular point of time, and you would be able to see the minimum amount received by you. And this way you would be able to receive Ethereum on your Base chain. After that you can open up Aerodrome's official website, and here you can type the amount of Ethereum, then just simply swap it with AERO token, and this way you would be able to swap Ethereum for AERO token, which is for Aerodrome Finance. And make sure that you keep some amount in your wallet for paying the wallet fees. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.